James from Vintage Bricks, welcome. We're going to be looking at space themes, 78 to 2000, and we'll start with an overview of the 12 themes we're going to review. There is, of course, the classic space, the Futuron, the Blacktron, the bad guys, the Space Police, the Mtron, you'll see some dates there, the Space Police 2, Ice Planet, Spyrius, Unitron, Exploriens, and RoboForce. So let's get started first with a detailed look at classic space. As we know, classic space ran for about 9 years and had about 90 sets. And they had these iconic spacemen that we still see today coming out in the recreated sets. I'm going to be showing a whole bunch of these catalogs as we go along. You can see Lego did a lot of work giving us explanation of what you'll see. This was an amazing Galaxy Explorer. And in the end of the instructions, they often had these dioramas so you can really appreciate what they're up to. Let's take a look at a commercial that we'll be doing on each of these sets.
These are the adventures of Legoland Space. Its unending mission to explore the depths of imagination, to seek out brave new worlds of excitement, to boldly go where no child has gone before. Each set sold separately.
Well, you know, they were peaceful spacemen on the moon. And of course, they had these little space base. There's an example of one right here. But, you know, it's time for change. And we move on to, yes, Futuron, 1987 to 1990. Our theme centers around a huge monorail. Huge in the sense of length and width. And nice little sets. The minifigures retain a lot of the look of the original classic ones, but a little different uniform. Okay, there's our catalog picture of the monorail. And we'll see the instructions of the set right there. And there's some different alternate setups you can do. So let's watch a video of the monorail in action here.
The new LEGO space sets have arrived.
And then a final set to look at is the cosmic laser launcher that the monorail went around. Well, things start to get interesting now with the bad guys, the Blacktron, right? 87 to 90. So LEGO was really upping their game here with these sets. And these colors are just classic bad guy colors. You can just soak it all in here. And of course, the bad guys needed a base, and here it is, the message intercept base that looked sufficiently imposing. Now, onto our video.
The farthest reaches of imagination comes the most dangerous spaceship in the LEGO universe. Load in the Blacktron Rogue and blast off into the unknown. But don't forget the trusty robot sidekick and the precious cargo. Galaxy's greatest perils with the all-new Blacktron Cruiser.
Well, notice the addition of robots, kind of like Star Wars R2-D2, so they're getting a little more modern here. Oh, the Renegade, that's a great ship. Time for some law and order in the galaxy, and here come the Space Police. Their uniforms look a lot like the Futurons, but still very distinctive. You'll look at some of our catalogs here. You'll see these colors, the dark blue and the dark red translucent. Commanded respect with their huge mission commandership. Okay, let's take it. Watch a video and see how this all comes together.
LEGO Space Police report to base. Space Spider carrying out threatening maneuver over Squadron 2. Thinks we're no contest. Mobilizing Squadron. Space Spider trapped into forced landing. Taken into temporary custody. Over and out. You can't escape the LEGO Space Police, no matter how many legs you've got.
Okay, I love that phrase, no matter how many legs you got. Here's their basic base, isolation base. So now we're going to go off-world some more to the Mtrons. They did mining, I guess they repaired things, and they are known for the magnets, and you'll see that used extensively here. The Mtrons, of course, are one of the more original themes, And you just gotta love the creativity that you see everywhere now in LEGO space in this era. Okay, and our catalog, we can see all their magnetized pieces and all here, and you'll see the Megacore magnetizer on the left there. You see magnets everywhere. Yeah, so you can pick up and move things around. Now onto our Tron commercial video.
New LEGO Tron to the rescue. The fun just keeps building.
Final Tron set will show you is a particle ionizer, which was a nice little ship. Okay, we're on to Blacktron, Part 2, or FG, Future Generation. And, you know, Blacktron has evolved to something even more menacing. They still had these ships, though, that flew around and, raised havoc. And, see that great outpost here in their catalog? And the outpost was known as Alpha Centauri Outpost. And hold on to your hat, their video is pretty energetic.
Space out! Max back! Blacktron Lego Maniac! Finds his way through cosmic night, guided by his landing light. Tires roll, he's got the knack. Blacktron Lego Maniac! Blaze a trail through outer space. This dude saved the human race! Mac! Blacktron Lego Maniac!
The Blacktron collection from LEGO. Each sold separately. Batteries not included.
Oh, that's great. Yeah, who needs batteries with all that energy? And, of course, they had flying sets. The aerial intruder is one of them. Now, of course, we need the Space Police to keep an eye on this new Blacktron theme. And now we'll start seeing minifigures with unique face combinations. They had a tremendous police ship here. You'll see it in the middle there of our catalog, called the Galactic Mediator. Let's watch the video and see how this all comes together.
Traveling with a cargo of dreaded outlaws, the rebel hunter is down. Its prisoners escape. There's only one hope, the Lego Maniac.
Dude! Space Police mobilized! Planetary patrol, rock and roll! Ugly space dudes, there's no escape from most righteous justice.
Today there is peace, but only the Lego Maniac knows what the stars hold for tomorrow.
Most cosmic!
The LEGO Systems Space Police Collection. Each sold separately, only from LEGO.
Okay, I just love these scripts. Most cosmic. Okay, they had the solar snooper that, we saw it in the video running around. Okay, now we're really going off-world, way off to the ice planet, where we have Commander Cole, and he and his group is doing research on special satellites, and there's materials that they're mining. And you see the new color combinations. It looks really cold on this planet, but I guess they're having a good time. And they love their base, Space Station Odyssey. Let's watch the video now.
There it is, the ice planet. Go for that super satellite.
Blacktron attack. Lower the rocket. Save the satellite.
I got it! Oh, no!
Keep cool when you...
Okay, take a look. They turned the Blacktron guy into an ice cube. That is totally incredible. Good going. Then, of course, they had an amazing ship, the Deep Freeze Defender. Now we have the Spyrius. They were obviously stealing things. And we'll see in this video they're stealing things from the Unitrons, the next thing we'll look at.
The Unitrons are preparing for a secret mission. The Spyrius agent calls in his robots. Robot attack! Robot attack! Grab the Unitron! Oh no! Go for it! Not again! I'll go get it myself! Drop me now! Okay, robots, take him! No, not me, you big clumsy monster! See you, Spyrius!
And we'll take a look at the big clumsy monster, the Robo Guardian. I guess he needs to be reprogrammed. These catalogs are really great. They give kind of an idea of how the theme was envisioned interacting with other themes. Really great playability here. And they had their own launch site to send things in the outer space. Now here's the group they were harassing in the last video, the Unitrons from 94 and 95. Not a lot of sets, but they did have a pretty wicked monorail, which we just saw. It's a transport base. And These monorails were always classic. And they had their own space station, Xenon, I think I pronounced that right. 96, we're doing the Exploriens. And they have a little different face mask on. And they're going out further in space. Maybe they not as much oxygen. Of course, they take a good look at the catalog there. All the different sets they had. And this huge starship. And that's a pretty good value. You can buy these newer themes a little more reasonably priced. And there's their Android base. And we'll finish up what we're going to be looking at as the RoboForce. Guys have these giant robots. And then, of course, a RoboMaster running that machine across the world. And the RoboRaptor. We got a little raptor tail on the robot. I'm not sure if that's helpful. Well, let's do a quick recap. We did it. Okay, we looked at the classic space, the Futuron, the Blacktrons, the Space Police, the Mtrons. Then we recycled back to the Blacktrons, Future Generation, Space Police 2, now the Ice Planets, then the Spyrius, Unitrons with that monorail, the Exploriens, and the RoboForce. Thank you so much for visiting Vintage Bricks. Please subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.